So what is your name?
My name is Ron. I'm the caretaker here at Salvation Mountain. I've lived here for 3 years. I'd say the biggest thing that motivates me to be here, even though look at these beautiful, you would think it would be these beautiful things here, but it's not. It's the beautiful things I'm looking at right now, the people who come to visit this place. When Leonard started building this, he built it because he loved God and wanted everyone to see it. That passion was burning in his heart. But as he built this and kept going, he built this for you guys. And it was the colors changed and bright for you all. And I love that, and I respect that. And I see people from around the world that come through, having a day adventure to come here for many, many different reasons. And that's why I come. That's why I'm here. That's why I work 60, 80 hours a week for you guys. I love you all.
Perfect.